How to define extra services. Defining extra services such as tour, package, transfer, spa packages and similar to the online reservation page can be easily done in the ElektraWeb system. For example, let's create one spa package as extra service. First, we should write the service name. If applicable, we may also define the sales period for this specific package and define the service type. Here we select from the service types that are already defined in the ElektraWeb system. In order to be seen in the reservation page, it is mandatory to activate this box. Moreover, we can add related photo to the service offered. Next, on the right part, we should fill out the price details. There are three types that we can select from. If we want for this service to be charged based on the specific percentage of the total basket amount, we should select basket percentage. In case pricing will be done based on number of people that will use the service or time, we should select one of the other two options. For this example, we will select person type. After this, we can proceed with pricing settings. In this field, we can define one specific amount that will be applicable, regardless of number of adults and children. Or we can separately define price for adults and for children. We have to make sure to mark the related fields below in order to have one of these rules applied. In other words, if we have entered separate price for adults and children, we should also tick the related boxes next to adults and children. If we will use unit price, then this box should be marked. Next, currency for the selected service should be defined. It is also possible to set for this price to be applicable for specific markets or room types. If these are not specified, then this extra spa service will be available for all markets and room types. We can also set the question for potential customers and make it mandatory for them to answer in order to proceed with the reservation. In order to be able to follow revenues related to this specific extra service, we should select the related department and revenue group. In order to have the desired department and revenue group displayed, we should have these defined under Accounting Definition segment in the Setup menu. If this service is applicable for the specific area, we can define it in here. Finally, after selecting on which days we will have this service available, we can save this card. After making these settings, potential guests will be directed to the extra service screen after selecting the desired room type. Guests can select among the offered services and continue to reservation, or they can entirely skip this step.